What's up guys, my name is TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got a video for you on OBS. So recently one of my friends had an issue with black bars in OBS. No, it wasn't this issue, it was them having issues with black bars while live streaming. Though of course, the issue was the same, and today I'm going to go through fixing two possible issues that could be causing this, and a third workaround. So number one, as you can see my screen is 16 by 9, and this one over here is a bit higher than 16 by 9. This resolution over here is 16 by 10, and my screen doesn't fit properly into it. I'll be showing you how to fix this, as well as a couple of other scaling issues. So to fix your canvas not being the same size as your screens, simply head into Settings, Video, and then you'll see Base Canvas Resolution, which is the resolution of this over here, and Output Scaled Resolution. So this is what goes to Twitch, recordings, etc, etc. Now if you're using an updated OBS, you should see the aspect ratio on the right hand side. 16 by 10 is higher than 16 by 9, and my screen is 16 by 9. The simple way to fix this is to open the drop down and pick a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and with these two matching, if I hit apply and move this around, there you can see that it's now set up properly, and if I were to start recording, there wouldn't be black bars on the top or bottom. But of course, opening up settings, video, if you don't have an option here for a proper aspect ratio, simply find out whatever your screen's aspect ratio is, possibly by right-clicking on your desktop, display settings, and finding it in here. Scrolling down, over here, display resolution. Then you should enter that at the very top. Note that you can highlight it and actually type. And after you've entered your resolution, simply set the output resolution to something that matches, or is something more common, like 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720. This is where the issue of streaming to the internet can come in with black bars if this output scaled resolution is not the same as the base canvas resolution, or at least the aspect ratio isn't the same. So by making sure that these two match and your video over here is correctly sized, then you probably won't have any black bars left over anywhere. Though of course, hypothetically you have a 4:3 screen or something like that, and you have it added to your canvas as such, instead of going ahead and changing your canvas resolution, you just want to stretch the video or program itself. How exactly would you do that? Well, simply grab one of the corners, hold shift, and drag it as such, and you can stretch it sideways, vertically, or even from the corner over here. As long as you have snapping on, which is on by default, it'll be relatively easy to get this to fit to the right spot. You can also right-click on it, head down to Transform, Edit Transform, and enter a position over here, 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 and here. Setting these top two to 0, you can enter a standard resolution down here, and it'll stretch as expected. And of course, quick little extra side note, if you'd like to crop off sections, simply hold Alt and drag and drop the side as such. Then you'll crop out the corners, and you can easily see what you have cropped out, as after you click on it, you'll see a green line on the side that you've cropped, and as soon as you expand it back, it'll go red back to normal. But of course, that wasn't the point of this tutorial, but it will be rather useful for you if you're going to be scaling and changing things inside of OBS. Though if you are going to be scaling, head into Settings, into Video, and make sure that this downscale filter over here is something nice. You can of course have it on bilinear if you'd like to have the least performance impact, though OBS by default chooses bicubic, and this is probably the best. Basically, choosing one with higher samples will mean that when you're downscaling, your end video will look much better. Though going to 36, I don't think will make that much of a difference. Either have it on 16, which is the default, or bilinear, faster but blurry. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!